Keniesha.
Done popped up in the neighborhood.
She loves beauty,
hair,
and living life.
cause she's good.
She's cheap and she budget. She loves the shop. You know the fun don't stop. It's Keniesha's block.
So this living room is so spacious. The bedroom is an okay size. There's a lot of natural light coming in, and I forgot to show the closet, but it was so small, so we would have to get some type of wardrobe or closet or something to put in the room. Now this apartment does come bearing gifts though, okay? It's the balcony for me. It's the views for me, okay? Okay. I do wish the bathroom had a little more space. In my part 2 video, I explained that some apartments here in LA don't come with fridges. This happens to be one of those apartments, so basically we would have to buy a fridge. Pros: parking, beautiful views, pet friendly. Cons: no closet space, no refrigerator, no move-in special, no utilities included in rent, no in-unit laundry, no pool, spa, or gym. First thing I'm thinking when I'm walking in here is that it's really dark. There is some natural light, but it's not much. The bedroom size is okay, but like I said, it's pretty dark. There's not much to see when you look out the window. I do love the hardwood floors. As you can see, this apartment is finishing up with renovations. So when I went to the bathroom, the light wasn't turning on. So on camera, you're most likely not going to be able to see it. Pros: parking, pet friendly. Cons: no views, no refrigerator, no move-in special, no utilities included in rent, no in-unit laundry, no pool, spa, or gym. So we just saw 2 places. The area is so nice. So this area is bomb. But you can see the Hollywood sign from here. You can see the city from here. You can see views from here. And then we ran into another place, and it's literally across the street from the main place that we came to see. I don't know. I think this might be the area. So when you first walk in, to the right is the kitchen. This living room is definitely bigger than a lot of the other ones that we've seen so far.
There's no light in the bathroom?
No, you need to use the
Oh.
This apartment does have a balcony. The only difference with this one compared to all the other apartments with balconies that we've seen so far is that for this apartment, you have to go through the bedroom to get to the balcony. The light in the bedroom wasn't working at the time, but it is a decent sized bedroom. I do wish there was more closet space though. I love the lights in the kitchen, the deep sink, the appliances, and this apartment doesn't come with a fridge. Pros: beautiful views, some utilities included in rent, pet friendly. Cons: no parking, no closet space, no refrigerator, no move-in special, no in-unit laundry, no pool, spa, or gym.
Thank you.
I'm going to second floor.
Okay.
And you're going to do it.
Okay. So we just got here. It's actually pretty. It's cute. It's just too far out. Like, I don't know what we would do here.
It's nice. The outside is.
I don't even know what we would do here.
We got a call.
Your call has been forwarded to the voicemail for Chatsworth Punt. No one is available to take your call. At the tone, please record your message. When you finish recording,
Even if you're ready, will you need to get in contact?
All right, thank you. Jesus Christ. I was about to leave in a second.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Who you telling?
It's like a little community. He said by the pool, straight up here.
The appliances in the kitchen do seem a little older, a little old-fashioned, a little old school, you know, but I love that there's a double sink. This apartment does seem very cozy, but it doesn't have the hardwood floors that we were looking for.
Oh, it's the big one. So that's the biggest one we've seen so far. Not really any views, but come out here, do what you gotta do. Breathe some air.
And in this apartment, the bathroom is in the bedroom.
something feel missing right here.
Pros: parking has pool spa, gym, move-in special, pet friendly. Cons: far out, no views, no utilities included in rent, no in-unit laundry, no hardwood floors.
We didn't review the second property just because it wasn't. And then we saw other people throw out their pamphlets like on the ground. So there was more. It wasn't just us. Nope.
Alright, we're at the next apartment. We got here kind of late, so we got to be really quick with this one. Stay tuned. I'll show you as much as I can.
There wasn't much to see with this apartment, and it's hard to imagine what it would look like since it was still being renovated.
Yeah, down there, that'll be the sink. That'll be the sink in the mirror, and in the bathroom is the bathtub in the middle.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. And then, yeah, stove, microwave, dishwasher.
Oh, dishwasher
That's the double check will be.
Appliances like the
Stainless
stove of stainless steel. Okay.
We were confused because we were thinking, like, how do you show somebody a place like that? But I guess he saw the look on our faces, so then he took us to an apartment that was similar to what it'll look like after it's finished. I won't list too many pros and cons for this apartment because there wasn't much to go off of, but I do know that there's parking and it's pet friendly, and it's far out, no in-unit laundry, no pool, spa, or gym.
We got a place. I'm so hyped.